we come to you right in front of the Vidhan Sabha in Patna. Stunning this evening, resplendent. And our top story comes in from Patna. Even though electioneering has moved way beyond just what manifestos are all about. Well, today, Patna in Bihar was all about the manifesto release of the NDA. It was a quick 60-second press conference. But what it has also lent itself to is the comparison of two manifestos, that of the NDA and that of the Mahagathbandhan. Having said that, the NDA had already made enough promises before the manifesto has come in. The Mahagathbandhan has put forth its own Sankalp Patra or manifesto. Here is a comparison of both manifestos of the Mahagathbandhan and the NDA this season.
Less than a week to go for possibly the most unpredictable elections Bihar has seen in recent history. And perhaps in a telling indicator of how tumultuous the road so far has been, the NDA manifesto or the Sankalp Patra has finally been released. As expected, the focus is heavily on financially empowering women and generating jobs for the youth, two sections of the electorate who are likely to be game changers for Mandate 2025.
हर युवा को नौकरी और रोजगार देना, 1 करोड़ से अधिक सरकारी नौकरी रोजगार प्रदान करना, 1 करोड़ महिलाओं को लखपति दीदी बनाने का काम बिहार की सरकार, बिहार एनडीए का संकल्प पत्र हम लोगों ने रखा है.
Promises that were immediately dismissed by the opposition's chief minister candidate as a jumla. Listen in to Tejashwi Yadav.
हर सेक्टर में जो है ये सरकार फेल रही, इसलिए इनको सॉरी पत्र लाना चाहिए था. और अगर इनका 20 साल का जो झूठा जुमला अगर आप लोग देखें, जो वादे इन्होंने किए थे 20 साल से, हर घोषणा पत्र 20 साल तक का जितना इन्होंने घोषणा पत्र लाया है, वो घोषणा पत्र भी कहता हुआ कि हमारा क्या हुआ.
But what was more important in the manifesto was the messaging. For the first time, the 5 key constituents of the NDA, or the Panch Pandav as has been touted, together on the same stage, trying to dispel criticism of a rift within the ruling alliance.
एनडीए ने एक साथ मिलकर संकल्प व्यक्त किया है. हम संकल्प व्यक्त कर रहे हैं कि बिहार को बहुत आगे हम ले जाएंगे. यहाँ समाज के सभी वर्गों के लिए हम काम कर रहे हैं, करते रहेंगे. गरीबों के लिए, किसानों के लिए, नौजवानों के लिए, महिलाओं के लिए, सबके लिए. सबका साथ, सबका विकास जो हमारा पुराना संकल्प है, उसी संकल्प पर बिहार को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे.
But the opposition continues to highlight the cracks within the government, especially their perceived reluctance in throwing their full weight behind Nitish Kumar as the NDA CM face even after winning elections.
मैनिफेस्टो एक इम्पोर्टेंट घटना होती है चुनाव के अंदर. उसमें आप खाली मुंह दिखाने के लिए आगे भागे सब लोग. इतना क्यों डरते हैं मीडिया से? तो ये समझ के परे हम लोग, पर ये संकेत मिलता है डेमोक्रेसी में इनका विश्वास नहीं. मेरा आरोप इनके ऊपर ये है. ये मुखौटा पहने हुए हैं डेमोक्रेसी का.
So the die has been cast and the stage is set for polling to begin on the 6th. Will the difference between the two warring alliances come down to the fine print of the promises made in their manifestos, or will it be a verdict on the perception battle of the unity? Bureau Report, India Today.